Okay, saved on the birth, just showing you the baby here. This is the can's been cleaned up and polished. So it needs to be wiped down from me boogering on it, but put the wiring loom back on, hooked everything back up. Good thing to do if these come out, because this is kind of the Achilles right here when these get rusted up down in here and you can't get it off and you rip off the bung trying to take this out, or it's very hard to pull this out because there's so much corrosion on the inside on where the quartz rod sits. So I always like to drill the hole out, clean it out a little bit, and then make sure you put some like Never Sees or something on there to make sure that it is easier to take out the next time. So everything's put back together, everything's cleaned, and I increased the amps on my power supply unit. And let's see if we get spark and everything. So now we have spark. And the glow plug portion should start heating up. There it goes. So there you go. And as you can hear, the pump is clacking. So this guy's ready to add fuel and see if it fires up. That's next. Okay, fuel's in. Hooked up the pump. Already started to purge. You can hear it starting to rumble as it ignites. I always use camping fuel to test. Burns clean. Yep, you can smell it. Definitely working. So there's no thermostat hooked up at the moment. I just have it looped into itself so that it runs, tricking the gas heater to thinking that it can stay on full the whole time, which it can at this point as we're testing it. But there we go, burning off all the crud that's inside there. Heats up. She's a runner. That's the quartz setting, quartz rod setting. It tried to kick up, so we have to adjust this guy. Maybe this guy right here. But it kicked up into full gear. It's fully operational. Max heat right here. There you go.